Hello everyone, welcome back to another helpful tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to search messages on Telegram desktop. If you want to find an old conversation, a specific word, a file name, or an important message, Telegram's search feature makes it very easy. First, open Telegram desktop on your computer and sign into your account if you are not already logged in. From the left side, open the chat, group, or channel where you want to search for messages. Now look at the top right corner of the chat window and click the search icon. A search box will appear. Type any word, phrase, or name that you remember from the conversation. As you type, Telegram will instantly show matching messages from that chat. You can use the arrow buttons next to the search box to move between the search results. This allows you to quickly jump to older or newer messages without scrolling through the entire conversation. If you want to search across all your Telegram chats, use the main search bar at the top left corner of Telegram desktop. Type a keyword and Telegram will show matching chats, contacts, groups, channels, and messages. This is useful when you are not sure which chat contains the message you need. The search feature also helps you find shared files, documents, photos, and links more quickly by searching related words or file names. That's how you can search messages on Telegram desktop. It's a simple but very useful feature that can save a lot of time when looking for old messages. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Telegram desktop tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.